Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into OpenArt, an incredibly powerful AI platform built for artists, designers, and honestly anyone who loves playing with visuals. From images and videos to stories and characters, OpenArt brings all the top AI models under one roof, and I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. Let's jump in. Once you have signed up, you will land on a clean and easy to use dashboard. On the left, you will see all the creative tools available: image generation, video creation, story building, and more. For this demo, I'll guide you through the image generation feature. Let's say we want to generate a scene of a golden retriever in a field. In the prompt box on the left, I typed a happy golden retriever sitting in a field of wildflowers during golden hour. Soft lighting, highly detailed, photorealistic. Quick tip, I used ChatGPT to help refine this prompt. Feel free to use any AI prompt builder to get sharper results. Now let's look at the settings. You can select a style from 100+ options, but since I already mentioned photorealistic in the prompt, I'll keep it on none for now. I'll set the size to 16:9, and if you are using the free version, you will get 2 image outputs by default. Click Create, and in just a few seconds, you will get stunning results that closely match your prompt. You can further upscale the image for more detail and download it with one click. Super easy, and the best part, you will get 40 free credits to start. Now, image generation is just one feature among many. You can also create AI videos using text, images, audio, or elements. Just a note, each video costs over 100 credits, so this isn't included in the free version. What makes OpenArt special is the access it gives you. You don't need to switch between tools or platforms to use different AI models like Flux, Stable Diffusion, DALL 3, or Kling. They're all built into one platform. And whenever a new model drops, OpenArt adds it instantly. No waitlist, no Reddit digging, no beta invites, just click and go. Each model comes with built-in guides, so you are never stuck figuring it out alone. OpenArt is seriously impressive. Whether you are designing visuals, writing stories, or exploring new AI video tools, it's all here in one place. If you are a creator or just curious, it's definitely worth a try. Thank you for tuning in. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.